Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys 3 different summer lock styles that I'll be rocking that you guys can rock as well. It's very different for me. I don't usually do lock videos on my YouTube channel. It's mostly on my TikTok and stuff, but I'm excited to dive more into the lock space and figure out different things to do with my hair and just like share you guys more of my lock journey. I am about 1 year and 8 months into my journey. I'll show you guys my locks really quick. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add these seashells to my hair because I feel like it's a perfect little accessory to add to your locks for the summer. I'm going to show you guys really quick how I do it. I just take a bobby pin and I stick it through the end of my lock. And then once I push it all the way through, I add the seashell to the back of it. And then I also push that through and then I pull my lock through the shell. You also want to be very careful when you're doing this because you don't want to tug too hard on the end of your lock. So I kind of make sure to kind of feel my way through and then pull slightly. That way I'm not causing my locks any damage. After I pull the lock through, I just secure it with the rubber band a couple of times. And then I just go ahead and do that throughout a couple of my locks. I end up putting about 4 total seashells in my hair. Okay, so the first style that I'm gonna do is a half up, half down with a side bang. So right now I'm just pulling some hair back and I'm securing the ponytail first, and then I'm gonna work on my bang second. Right now I'm just leaving out some locks in the front to see how I kind of want my bang to be positioned. So I pulled about 4 or 5 locks to leave in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and secure the ponytail. After the ponytail is secured, I'm going to go ahead and get some bobby pins and pin the bangs to the side. You can also just leave your bang just hanging, but I personally prefer to have my bangs pinned to the side because I like my hair out of my face, and also it's summer and it gets extremely hot in Florida, so I like to have any type of hair just kind of out of the way. And then here is the same style, just with the bangs down instead of pinned to the side. But yeah, this is style 1. The next style is pretty simple and it involves a scarf. All I'm doing is just pulling all my hair up into a high ponytail and then using a scarf to wrap it around. This is one of my go-tos in the summer because I like to do a lot of outdoor activities. So swimming, hiking, just being more outside. So I think putting my hair in a high ponytail, just having my hair just out of the way, has been always my go-to. But adding like a simple thing like a scarf just adds more color and more intention to the style than without it. I have a ton of scarves that I use for this high ponytail. Definitely one of my favorite go-tos for the summer. The next style that I'll be doing is actually a new style that I've never tried before. So it'll be my first attempt right on camera. So if it looks bad, do not blame me. But this style is the bantu knots with a curl twist at the end. So right now I'm just sectioning off my hair to add the bantu knots. I'm not doing bantu knots for my entire head, but just the front part. So right now I'm just splitting off what exactly I want in the front and then putting my hair back and out of the way. Now I'm just adding a rubber band to the bantu knot first, and then after I'm gonna go ahead and twist my bantu knots and then secure it with a rubber band. I only plan to do about 4 bantu knots right here in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this same thing for the other bantu knots as well. Here I just finished my bantu knots and they're a little uneven, but that's okay. I am going to go ahead and start the next process, which is adding the curl twist around my bantu knots. I'm going to be using the Free Tress Deep Twist Curl, and this is in the color 4. So now I'm just gonna take a small part of the hair. I'm just gonna wrap it around my bantu knot back and forth. You may have to cut your hair depending on how long it is, but right now I'm just gonna keep twisting over my bantu knot until I get it to my desired length. I'm also not sure why I let my hair down because it makes this process even much harder than it has to be. So if you're doing this style, I definitely recommend just keeping your hair all the way back until you're finished. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the other 3 bantu knots. But this is the finished look. I really like how it came out. As you see, I decided to put my hair back, but you can also leave it out if that's your preferred choice. But yeah, I really love this style. I think it's very different, it's very unique. I definitely see myself wearing this style multiple times in the summer. But yeah, that is the finished look for style number 3. That is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for another video next week. Bye.